All right, Mustang fans, here's a 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback 2+2. One of the more popular years, models, styles that we get in. This particular car is a C-code car, so it would have came with a 289 originally. Has a nice 289 under the hood now. That's been built up a little bit. We'll get her running here in a little while so you can hear it run. Paint code on this car was J, so it is a Rangoon red original car color. Black vinyl interior, which should also be original to this car, so still set up a lot like it was the day it came from Ford. I'd call this at the upper level of a driver quality car. Paint's on it's nice, interior's nice, underside's nice, engine bay. If you want to check all those out, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And you can see what I'm talking about there and how nice a condition this car is in. Like I said, the paint's very showable on it. Is it absolutely, mint? No, there may be a few imperfections here and there, but overall shows very nice. And I'll kind of show you a few of them as we go around that I kind of noticed when I was picturing it up. This antenna is not broke or anything. Manual pull-up antenna. In my pictures I had it down, which would come in handy if you're not going to listen to the radio or need it. Push it on down. You don't have to worry about it getting broke or anything like that. So nice little feature there. I'll show you some of the other stuff that makes this car kind of stand out, that it is in nice shape. Riding on the factory style wheels. Look great on this Fastback. Very stock looking car. Does have a 4-speed manual transmission in it, and as you can see down there, it also has AC. AC in this car blows cold. There's a bonus. Don't always see that on a 65 Mustang Fastback. The top, and take a look at the paint and the roof line. So the reflection off the lights in our ceiling. So again, nice luster to this car. Overall, a very nice looking Fastback. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. These cars do not usually stick around here very long. We sell a lot of Mustangs, and the Fastbacks, like I said, one of our more popular. See up and down this car too, very straight. You'll see that in the pictures. I got pictures from the front looking straight to the back. You can look up and down the sides of the car. Come around and take a look at this interior. I'll show you a couple of little blemishes I noticed on it when I was taking pictures too, just so you know, if I can kind of get them to show up. Here a little bit in the top. You can kind of see that. Little bit of a crack, probably slight filler there when they were doing the roof line. And one other little tiny one back here, if I can kind of get it to show up there. So again, I mean, is the car perfect? No, but is in very nice shape. Absolutely. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Door cards, great shape. Carpeting. The vinyl seats. I have the back folded down. That's the way I was taking the pictures of it last. See, interior lights and everything work. In some of the pictures, you're going to see those interior lights are not on. It's because I'm holding the button trying to keep the glare out of the pictures. So if you're wondering why on some of them it's on and some of them it's not, that's the reason why. Try to keep the glare out of the picture so you can get a true idea what this thing's like and what kind of shape it's in. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See, it's got a little aftermarket tack there. Otherwise, the dash, pretty much stock. Does have a older, I should say, era correct looking radio, but it is a modern AM/FM cassette stereo in there. Obviously the AC and the controls. 4-speed. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There is a little bit of a choke underneath here where I'm just going to choke it just a tad. Push that choke back in just a bit. Nice idle out of it. You see the stereo does work.
It's Jordan in the afternoon on Mix 99.
Tachometer is working. Fuel gauge appears to be fine. Temp gauge does work, I was told, when it comes up to temperature, obviously. Push that choke in just a tad bit more, we'll get it down off high idle, get her down idling a little bit. Tell it's a very nice sounding car. So nicely that door closes and fits. Around to the back. Nice little rumble out of that 289. Idles nicely. Engine runs smooth too. I'll show you a couple things I noticed. If you get around these classics, lots of times these mirrors are loose or kind of rattle as it idles, or you'll see them kind of jiggle. Very nice tight fit on this. Same way with the rear view mirror. Lots of times you see these kind of hanging or rattling if you're driving them. As you can see, just nice and tight overall. Little things like that really stand out on this car. How nice the carpeting and everything is in the back. Nice speaker installation back there that does fold up into the back seat. Check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see how nice a shape that back seat is in and the vinyl and everything on it. Ah, this car sounds nice. So like I said, give us a call, 507-386-1726, or feel free to check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.